Hey, so welcome back to another vlog mga tol. So but before we start up, I just want to let you know that this vlog is gonna be on English because some of our friends and subscribers requested for this so they can understand. You know that our subscribers are not only Filipino, and some of them comes from another nation also. And yeah, I cannot say anything. And to tell you honestly guys, my English is not that proficient, but I will try my best, my very best, to make you understand every words that will be released on my mouth. And I am not so comfortable using other languages like this, especially in English, because my English is not perfect, only 50-50 hubby, you know. So hello, welcome to my vlog. So anyway guys, for today's video we are going to Legend Motorcycle Repair Shop in Dera for the replacement of our exhaust pipe that I ordered online, and I finally received it, and so it's here right now after a long time of waiting, you know. So I'm kind of excited for the result and the sound it will be, but I'm sure it's gonna be really loud mga tol. So let's focus on the road and let's enjoy the ride. Alright baby. Sorry, is the toll gate Salik? And ahead of you, that's what you call the clock tower. It means you are already up there. We are good. So far we are good. Alright. That one of my brother. Yo. What's up bro? We are on Alcabile. And behind that Alcabile, you will find the Legend Motorcycle Repair Shop. And that's a place for our small project for today. It's not actually small, it's a big project for me to hear the music coming out from my motorcycle. Alright mga tol. There you go. Here I am, coming through. Alright, so where is Mr. Avis, my friend? Sir. Hey, so now we are already at the Legend Motorcycle Repair Shop, and our bike is already inside. Alright, let's go and check it out. Avi, say hi. Hi. Yeah. There you go. So this is the Legend Motorcycle Repair Shop, where I used to bring my bike every time. So there you go. We're always busy. This place is very busy. Happy. So my mechanic. This thing gonna be replaced today, and I requested for a plate number holder to cut it off, and they will make a new one. Alright, so here's our thing. Yo, it is an SC project. Copy. This is gonna be like this or inside? Inside? Not like this. You cannot put like this. It's gonna be nice if it's like this, yeah? Alright. Nice one, nice one. And more. I believe this is the connector or something. Oh yeah, this will connect the pipe from there. I think so. Yeah. All right. So, see you later, mga tol. Look what I found, man. Suzuki GSX750. Nice one. Yo-ho. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, that's my friend Awiz. Nice bike. GSX750. Oh, so now we will be trying this beast GSX750, and let's try our best. Let's see how the feeling is, how the feeling goes. All right. Oh my god, it's so aggressive. Nice one. Let's hear it. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at that. Beautiful. Rev up. Nice one. So let's try to round. Let's try this beast, man. First time. All right. Oh my gosh. It's lovely, bro. Oh ho ho. What a beast, man. But so aggressive, man. But it's really beautiful bike, very powerful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. No. It's a very lovely bike. Wow. Nice bike. Come on, baby. Beautiful bike, really. I can't say anything. The sound is so amazing. And the feeling is really beautiful inside. I love it. Whoa. My goodness. Very powerful. Up. Okay, let's go back. So amazing bike. The power, man, the power. The power is there. Holy moly. Okay, let's give it back to the owner. I don't want to pay anything. Wonderful. What a beast. Woo, sarap. Champion the feeling, man. Beautiful bike. I cannot say anything. The sound, the power, everything is there. All right. I'll check. Bro. Oh. GXSR 1000. My God. GSX750. I don't know. This is not mine. Yeah. Mine is there. Ninja. Ninja 400. This bike is too long. Oh, mommy. Wow, GXR 1000. So, mga tol, tapos na. So, sound check na natin. Sound check. Oops. Check, alright. Bravo! Yo, so it's time to go. And our project for today is done. And now the pipe is heavily sounding really beautiful. A music in my ear. Alright. Thank you, SU Project. Thank you, Legend. Shout out to you, Legend. Now I am hungry and I want to go for some dinner. All right. Awis. Thank you. Is a fuel, do you think? Is this a fuel gauge or something? Let's see. I will fill the tank and let's see if it will be gone. If not, then I have to come back for the next time. Alright, everything is perfect. Everything is right. Everything is beautiful. I love it. I love it. My new sound. The best. Now I feel I'm riding with a sports bike, with a big bike. Thank you, Legend. Thank you, SC Project. And thank you, Amazon. After a long time of waiting, I'm waiting for a long time for this moment to hear the music of my motorcycle. The singing Kawasaki in India 400. Alright. Nice. Oh my gosh, it's a wonderful sound. Oh yeah, it's gone now. No. So yun, another task done successfully mga tol. And this is it. Guys, thank you for watching. and I really appreciate your support on this channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe, comment if you like, mga tol. And this is it. So see you again on the next one. See you again on my next video. Alright.